We are at Gulfood Manufacturing and I'm going to meet Maurizio Trento, CEO of the Italian company GPI Group. Maurizio, it's a pleasure to meet you again here, as usual at Gulfood Manufacturing, at this edition with the huge machines.
Yes, it's a pleasure for me too to meet you here again. We have a huge machine here that was actually sold to a local manufacturer.
May I ask you who is?
Yes, it is Emirate Macaroni Factory. So it's a local manufacturer here in Dubai that wanted to have our technology for his business. As you know, we are growing a lot here in this market, so in all the Middle East, and we are doing very, very well here.
Maurizio, if I was a local end user, why I should buy your machines?
For some simple reasons. Basically, the machines are very compact. Then we have multifunctional machines, so it is an all-in-one machine, like in this case that we are exhibiting, showcasing a monoblock that it is forming, top-loading and closing the boxes and putting the products inside the cartons. And then because we are implementing the AI in the machine, so we will have an auto-learning on the machines, which is a great implementation for the final user.
Considering that GPI is strongly connected with the local markets, which are the next exhibitions you are going to be present?
For sure we will be present at the next Saudi Food Manufacturing and for sure the next Gulfood Manufacturing next year, 2025.
So I thank you, Maurizio Trento and GPI, and I give the appointment to Saudi Food 2025.
Thank you all and see you soon.